I am Rael Fluger, and this is my model of the respiratory system. So first off, to know the respiratory system, you need to know what it does. Respiration is the gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is taken into the body while carbon dioxide is put out. So first off with the respiratory system, when you breathe in, air comes through your nose and mouth. Well, after that, it goes down the pharynx, which leads into the esophagus and the larynx. Well, the epiglottis blocks the larynx when you swallow food to make sure it doesn't go down the trachea and cause you to choke. Well, air goes down the pharynx and then through the larynx and then into the trachea, which is a ring of cartilage that connects the larynx to the lungs. After it goes down the trachea, the air then goes through the bronchi, which is a upside down Y-shaped tube which leads into the bronchioles and branches out more and more, creating a larger surface area. Once the air gets through the bronchi and the bronchioles, it arrives at the alveoli. The alveoli is where the oxygen is actually put into the blood. The red blood cells, which contain iron, takes in the oxygen because iron bonds to the oxygen. After which now the oxygen is in the bloodstream. Other things to know about the respiratory system are the cilia, which are little hairs that move anything that accidentally get into the lungs out, such as dust or from smoking. Because it is a one-way trip, air only goes in one way, then there has to be something to get it out, and that's what the cilia does. The lungs, which are the balloons in this diagram, are what fill up and contract and relax when we breathe. The diaphragm, which is represented by this plastic bag, is what moves with the lungs when you breathe in and out to help respiration. When you inhale, the balloons will fill up, or your lungs fill up, and the diaphragm pushes down. When you breathe in, the diaphragm pushes back up, your lungs relax, and they aren't full of air anymore. So that is the respiratory system.